After several years of creating and reviewing immersive 3D video content for VR headsets, I've been closely following how XR developers are using spatial video, 3D models, and interactive environments to construct new forms of storytelling. I've seen documentary-style experiences such as We Live Here and the Perspective series that use these formats to connect a narrative to interactive digital recreations of real-world environments, thereby deepening the viewer's involvement in the story. In this video, I will be looking at Crafting Crimes, a series of XR experiences for the MetaQuest 3 and 3S that brings immersive storytelling into the genre of true crime. As the title suggests, this experience uses 3D models and hand tracking to allow users to interact with miniature recreations of notorious crime scenes. The first episode is available for free, while the remaining 2 episodes are priced at approximately $3 each. Each episode runs approximately 20 minutes in length. Miniaturist Carol K. Rass hosts each episode, appearing before the user in a 3D video window. As the episode progresses, users assemble a miniaturized recreation of the crime scene on a hobby workstation. In addition to the miniatures themselves, a virtual murder board displays the individuals who are connected to each crime and the relationships between them. After completing each episode, users can return to the miniaturized location and explore it from an immersive, life-sized perspective. This portion of the experience is structured as a guided tour. Users do not have free-roaming capabilities, but they can teleport between a selection of fixed positions within the miniature location. A key distinction of the app's design is that it makes full use of the pass-through capabilities of the Quest 3 and 3S headsets, although the app uses hand tracking exclusively for all interactions. While the tracking generally functions reliably, it will occasionally glitch and cause users to drop a miniature piece. Fortunately, when this happens, the piece reappears on the hobby workstation so users can attempt the interaction again. While this is not addressed directly within the Crafting Crimes episodes, the use of miniatures to recreate crime scenes has a well-established historical precedent. In particular, the experience draws a clear parallel to the nutshell studies of Unexplained Death, a series of 20 intricately constructed dollhouse-style dioramas created by Francis Glessner Lee, a pioneer in forensic science. Glessner Lee established a Department of Legal Medicine at Harvard Medical School in 1936 and donated the first of the nutshell studies in 1946 for use in formal lectures on crime scene investigation. Crafting Crimes is a compelling demonstration of what immersive and interactive XR media can accomplish that other formats cannot. Assembling and then exploring recreations of crime scenes at both miniature and life-size scales illustrates the unique spatial capabilities of VR technology in a highly effective way. The third episode, which covers the 1911 theft of the Mona Lisa, is a particular highlight. Users go back in time to assemble and explore a recreation of the Louvre Museum as it appeared in the early 20th century. For fans of true crime, history, dioramas, and model making, Crafting Crimes is a perfect virtual experience to add to your XR library. Thanks for watching this review. Please click like and subscribe to see more VR videos, and please feel free to leave comments below.